Hello, hi everyone. My name is Dr. Salar Khan. I am the author of 3 books. I wrote my first book, Unlocking the Natural Born Leader's Ability, an autobiographical expose, March 2017. The reason for writing that book is based on my autobiography, based on my last 50 years experience and time management, organizational skill which I earned and learned from my parents. And I'm thankful to my parents, my mother, my father, who helped me a lot during my early childhood, and they gave me a lot of opportunity to tackle the difficult situation, making the difficult decisions, and all those things helped me a lot to have organized my plan, my goals, and everything in a timely fashion. And because of that, after that, I am able to handle any kind of situation and any kind of time management. So this is a very important skill. And then in my book, whatever I learned from my experience as a doctor, as a physician, pulmonologist, and internal medicine specialist, as well as psychiatrist. So all those things we have learned with that clinical and teaching and doing patient treatment and all those things. And that add up my clinical intuition as well as my leadership intuition. And I work nationally and internationally. I got several awards, and I deal the topmost position as a hospital director and director of medical services, chief of medicine, and all those capacities. I work under the Ministry of Health in Saudi Arabia and in the United States under so many different organizations and institutions. I perform very well, and I design the teaching and training tool for the new leaders or the leaders who are not confident in making their decisions. They are always feeling that if they fail, they are going to fire from the work. So ultimately, my book having a self-evaluation and self-assessment tool, so ultimately the people are going to understand at what level they are having a deficiency and how they can cope with that one. And I also mention in my book how we can manage clinically and treat the patient. So ultimately, this is all about my first book. And my second book is Am I Burnout at Work? And this book is a self-care solution. And the reason for writing this book, because I was reading a magazine indicating that every year, more than 400 physicians, they are committing suicide. And it is prevail among the highly qualified people, professional groups, laws, and the people they are working in the different organizations, the CEO, human resource department, doctors, physicians, residents. And then if they are under a chronic stress, they are committing suicide. They are going into the depression and anxiety elements. So ultimately, I try to clean up and write down a very clarity with the purity of how one can establish their own early stress and late onset of the stress and how they can cover it. And the most of the time, the physicians, they are under burden of lot of loan debt, and there are so many things. So their efficiency at work is deteriorating, and then they are unable to perform well at work. And that's why the most of the CEO or others, they cannot achieve their target or the goal, and the organization, they are firing them from the work. So I have put some suggestions and some self-evaluation tool so everybody can read and find where they stand for that. And then some people are extroverted, some are introverted, and some extroverted, they feel very happy after talking with the people, but they are not very good. And similarly, the introverted people, they are also under the stress because they are less communicating with the people, so these are also developing a stress. So there is no hard and fast rule which group of the people are going to develop the stress and burnout. But in the book, we try to make a very clear outline for everyone. And I wrote this book in a very simple language so everybody can understand how they can manage their burnout and what is the solution for that one. And the next, my third book, which is recently, so this is my second book, Am I Burnout? And this is my recent book. It is just published August 28. And this book is about the future of the, shaping the future of the global leadership, finding a peaceful solution And nowadays, everybody is aware that all universal leaders, they are incompetent. They did not able to handle the coronavirus, COVID-19 in a proper way. And they are having a lack of vision, lack of confidence, and they do not have the ability to deal any sudden onset of the global issues or anything like that. And now they are fighting each other. They are creating a conflict among the countries and their territorial areas and all those. So ultimately, they are going to flesh out another third world war. I am very much scared and afraid. And I got that idea to write this book on December 24th. I was on my annual vacation, and in the morning prayers when I wake up, and I was thinking about where our world is going and why the leaders are creating trouble and selling the ammunition and getting money. But what is our fault as a common person, as a layman person? I'm a layman person. A lot of people are laymen. They don't care about the leaders, what they are doing it, and how they are dealing the international politics and conflicts and everything, and they totally fail. They fight each other. They have an ego issue. And these things are leading to the death of the millions and million people in the war, in the form of the war. So I want to prevent that war. And that's why I wrote this book. And in this book, I suggested that the global leader, they must be evaluated by an independent international organization to check their knowledge, to check their degree, to check either they are capable of holding a leadership position, to hold the world things, and they have a tolerance to talk with the other leaders. They have some basic knowledge to talk and deal with the other leaders and never provoke each other to go for the war or any conflict. So in this way, sometime what happened, I noticed that a lot of leaders, they are also having a psychogenic depression, schizophrenia, and so many mental elements they have. So ultimately, how they are going to take care for the world issues and problems. So that's the reason I wrote this book, and there is also a self-evaluation for the leadership, and there are a lot of suggestions how the global leadership, then they can improve our world environment in a peaceful way. So ultimately, we are going to have very good things, and our future generation will get something better out of these leaderships. So thank you so much, and all these free books, and it is available at Amazon and Barnes & Noble, Archway Publishing, as well as the Ex Libris. And I will tell you my webpage, you can visit, and there is my lot of interviews and YouTube movies and pictures are there. And my webpage is www.spellout Dr. Salar, S-A-L-A-R, last name Khan, Khan.com. Thank you so much for listening to me, and I hope one day will come, the people will realize what I think and why I wrote this book, and we are going to get a fruit of all these concepts and new ideas and new educational tool and training tool for the humanity and the young generation, and it is going to be taught at the school and colleges at the different levels. Thank you so much.